And rolling.
Hello my dear friends, as we know, since for last 2 weeks or more, the stray dog eradication is going on according to the verdict of the Supreme Court of India. And many people has been thinking that why I am not giving any post or not saying anything. But the thing is, I already have done one Instagram post, and today, yes, this is going to be in my reel format or story format. What exactly, I don't know. It all depends how much time it takes. But the thing is, trust me, believe me, all this time, the only thing I had been doing for the stray dogs, which are like my children, because I in my personal life also have dogs who are the most loyal companion I can ever have. And there is a saying, before I say, there is a saying that when you pray something, you should not be saying it to anyone. And so, yes, I also believe in that. But now it is the time I am just feeling I must share with all of you what I was praying incessantly on, and still now. Every time I was sitting for my prayer, for my worshipping, every time the only thing that I was asking my God was that, oh God, however I call my gods, protect all these strays, protect them, bless them, heal them, give them some joy and happiness and food and shelter and peace. This is the only thing I had been praying to my gods since the time it has started. And I personally believe that praying is the thing that I can do best by myself, because I know after a point my power gets limited, because after all we are human beings. So the thing is, the only thing I believe and I am very much into is that when our power gets limited, when we cannot do anything more, that is the time God intervenes, because God's power we cannot challenge. So, keeping that thing in mind, which I believe always, I had just been praying, because somewhere I knew so many of my friends were fighting. Still now they are. And that's something we all so much grateful to them, because these fighters, yes, I would call them these fighters, they are fighting for a cause, for the cause of humanity. They are the true torch bearers. And in this, the way how I can support is whatever I could have done in my own physical capacity, I have done those things, and still I am trying to, whether sending my letter to the Supreme Court in this regard, or going ahead with the hashtags, or vocally bringing out whatever my agitation for justice is about, making the video, the post in my channel. And the best thing, which I know, where every of my power comes to an end, there's the God. No one can go beyond his willpower, and that is what I had been praying continuously on and on for these pets. Please God, protect them. Give them the joy, happiness, shelter, love, care. And so I just wanted to share this much only with all of you, that I myself had surrendered completely to the power of God. That I'm sure, I know that whatever the needful remaining needs to be done for the strays, for their safety, security, God is going to intervene. Because जैसे बताया जाता है ना कि उनके घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं है. So yes, he is definitely going to intervene. I know that from my heart. So that's the only thing I wanted to share with all of you. Thank you.